you can make your Facebook profile private. So watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. Firstly, while there's no single button to set your profile to private, you can adjust your settings to ensure that your only friends can see your photos and posts. So just follow these steps. Open the Facebook app and log in if you haven't already. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down, select Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down, choose Privacy Center. Under the Privacy tab, you'll find multiple options here. Tap on the one that says Privacy Checkup. Now, your Facebook profile will appear here. Just tap on it. Under Privacy Checkup, select Who can see what you share and tap Continue. On the section Friends and Followings, decide who can see your friends list on your profile. You can choose Only Me or Friends. Choose who can see the people pages and list you follow and set it to Only Me or Friends and tap Next. Set your default audience to friends so only friends can see them. Now, limit past posts to make sure posts published earlier are visible only to your friends. Tap Limit and confirm by tapping Limit again. Tap Next and follow the prompt to finish. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now private. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.